Pride for me is really about celebrating your true self. I love that we at Joolz are very honest with this topic because we don't say we are changing the world immediately, but we do it step by step, and we are taking everyone with us on this journey.
It doesn't matter what your sexual orientation is, your cultural background.
Pride for me is a form of belonging and being accepted for who you are. At Joolz, I'm responsible for photo shoots, and yeah, we always have inclusivity and diversity in mind, and don't only choose mom, dad, or like the usual combination. We are open for everything, and yeah, I'm happy to show to the world that everything is possible.
Everyone should feel supported to be free who they want to be, and I think as a company you can support that. I think we as Joolz are doing our best to become very conscious about our unconscious bias, especially in our recruitment process, and I think that's necessary to have a more diverse and inclusive staff.
Pride or the equality is the way to celebrate your own success, what makes you happy every day in what you are, the people you are with, or the company you are.
Pride to me is equality for everyone, no matter who you are and who you love.
And we're living in a diverse society. I think the world becomes nicer and better because of it. Our clients are diverse, and I think if your company is representing your society, you also make better products.
If I were to make a plea to all the other people in the world, I would say look past your assumptions. You don't know what's going on in someone's mind.
Why fit in? You are born to stand out.